What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. Let's do a garden tour. Yeah, it ain't that spectacular, but let's see what's going on out here, y'all. Yeah, not much here. Garlic, cabbage. Got a Swiss chard coming back. That's kind of cool. But yeah, just the normal, what you would expect in winter. Garlic. My collard greens snapped back. That cold weather did the do to them, but they came back. They say, "Broke, I'm a Georgia collard. Of course I'm gonna come back. It's Georgia, baby. It's Georgia, baby." All these looking good. They got a couple days of warm weather. They loving it. And it's basil. I keep thinking that basil gonna come back, y'all. I don't know why. I think that basil gonna come back. More collard green. Planted some onion seeds in here. They are yet to come up. I think the change and fluctuations in the weather really throwing them off. Strawberries I planted with y'all. Some of them want a flower. Yeah, strawberries looking good. Got my wood chips in there. That's all the strawberries I need. All the other strawberries, I'm digging them up, baby. Went heavy on the garlic in here, y'all. Heavy on the garlic, y'all. Grow some medicine. Garlic is really good for you. I'm just saying. Then we got my kale looking bad. Yeah, it's looking bad. Hold on to your love. You got to hold on. Hold on. But that's right there. I mean, that's growing back pretty good, so I know it's still alive. That's all that matters. Is that a little bug? Look at a little bug in there. That's diabolical. Bro, why are you out here? It just snowed, bro. Get on. And it's that spinach. What kind of spinach was it? Olympia spinach. This stuff tastes pretty good, y'all. Grow well, made it through the snow. I didn't cover it up. So I'm an Olympia spinach fan now. All right, this things I'm crossing my finger on. This is jujube. Still green, we good there. This is passion fruit. I think it's out of here. Nope. It got some green at the bottom. Okay. Couple fig cuttings. I'm not covering no more of this stuff up, y'all. No more. I'm done. Experimented with leaving all my herbs outside uncovered through the snow. It's my time. Spectacular, man. My mullein, I'm probably gonna pull some of this mullein today and make some tea. I'm kind of congested. With the weather fluctuation, I'm congested. Then I got my other mint. What mint this is? Spearmint. Can't kill spearmint, y'all. My chocolate mint. Ooh, she back and she ready. Hey, like old times, y'all. Smell it. Like old times. Ooh. Cat mint. She says she here for the long haul, baby. I'm with you. I think this is peppermint. This is Greek oregano. I got some Cuban oregano growing in the house. But as soon as the warm weather comes, they come. Some more mullein, y'all. Some more mullein. And I don't know why, but this mullein is starting to take off now. A little warm weather, that's all she needs, baby. I got some cabbage here still. It's alive. I don't know how to say it. It's alive. Fruit trees looking good. Got about 4 apples off this apple tree last year. I'm hoping to get more. It's looking spectacular. But this is my rosemary. Yeah, through the snow uncovered. Rosemary through the snow uncovered, y'all. Can't say the same about this pineapple sage though. God darn. R.I.P. pineapple sage. All right, I think this loquat gone to the upper room. Okay, it ain't breaking the stick. Okay, let me leave it alone. Let me leave that loquat alone. But this is what the loquat supposed to look like. Green leaves all through the snow and everything. Oh, how much, baby? I'm in love, baby. I'm in love. All my other fruit trees doing pretty good. Arkansas black apple. I should get some apples this year off this one. But my biggest concern was my persimmon trees. She's still alive, I think. Yep, that's green. She's still alive. That's all that matters. My other persimmon, look like she started to put on leaves or something and they died off. But she green. That's all that matters, y'all. My fig over here, I've been going back and forth trying to check and see if she okay. I uncovered her. I might should have left the cover on, cause I don't see no green. So she gonna die back. Jeez Louise. Are you green down here at least? No. Here? No. So that means she gonna die all the way back to the ground. Gee. My red mulberry say it's time to put leaves on. I ain't studying what you talking about. That's crazy. The growth on these mulberries are outrageous, y'all. All these want to put on leaves. Yeah. But some things die back, some things don't. All right, let's check on this pomegranate. She green. No dieback. That is spectacular, y'all. I think I finally find the pomegranate variety that's made for my zone. And this is my pineapple guava. If y'all wonder how my pineapple guava is doing, they're doing good. Didn't lose no leaves, no nothing. Through the snow, baby. Couple new arrivals. American cranberry. Google that. Do some Google research on American cranberries, y'all. Another American cranberry. Then I got my gooseberries. They goosing, baby. They goosing, baby. Oh, yeah. That one back there got some leaves coming. But for the ones that think them little plants that tractor supply don't grow, they grow. You just gotta know how to grow them. I said what I said. All right, my Aurora Satsuma down left out the door. Hopefully to put it in grind, but I don't think she ready. She got 4 leaves left. She ain't dead, but she ain't thriving. All right, my big bed is collard green. Collard greens and compost. Collard greens and compost. Sound like a song. So yeah, a bunch of garlic. Not fantastic. I don't think these cabbages gonna make it, y'all. They might. Bunch of garlic going there. Couple Brussels sprouts that ain't finna do nothing. And when you don't pull your onions say, I'm here. I'm really here. All right, these potatoes we planted together. Yeah, they popping up. Nothing over here. These the ones I got from the store and they didn't have no sprouts. I'm thinking it's gonna take longer for them to germinate. That's cool, we got time, baby. We got time. And I planted more potatoes. I find this grow bag in the back of my shed. I said, look, if it's a grow bag, it's some food going in there. Food in there. Potato. Couple things I'm really excited about. I literally pruned this off my Red Haven peach. And I just stuck it in the ground to see what it'll do. She's still alive. So hopefully that'll work out. Got my Pakistan or Shangri-La mulberry cutting that I took last year. She saying she ready, she good. A little concerned about that, but don't worry about it. And the mother, mulberry, Shangri-La, Pakistan, whatever it is. And I will be taking a bunch of cuttings off her. As soon as she fruit and the fruit come off, cause she fruit all at one time. So once that fruit gone, I'll be taking at least 10 cuttings off her. Another one of my figs in the grind, seeing if she make it. Yep, die back. Yep, she die back. Die back. Did you die back too? Yep, all of them be growing from the root. Hopefully. Another pomegranate, I think this is Salvasky. Did she die back? She did not die back. She is green. Green mean play ball, y'all. And I added another pink lemonade blueberry. I just planted her like 2 days ago. Other blueberries transplanted. I'm not expecting much this year, y'all. I think it's gonna take a year for it to get back right. I got like 8 of them. And I done blew cardboard all over my yard. All right, pomegranate, you ready? She's still alive. Now, I had a big problem with these pomegranates dying back. No dieback. So I should get pomegranates, not next year, but probably a year after. And my arona berry. Yeah, arona berry can take cold. Let me check it all the way at the top. Yeah. I knew this arona berry was gonna live. Have you ever had arona berries? Google them. Google them. All right, my goji berries I already putting on leaves. And guess what? I got a ladybug. Can y'all see it? Right there. See right there. She protecting the goji berries. Now we all know that goji berries are super nutritious. So this will be a super ladybug once they get finished eating off this goji berry, y'all. It's monumental. But I think I'm gonna have to cut these back. Nope, I won't. It's green. It's green, y'all. Everything looking good, y'all. Saying, hey man, you ain't got much going on out there. I like for y'all to see what it look like before it gets spectacular. I don't want to just pop up on a video and start harvesting squash and you like, what? I didn't see you plant it. I didn't see nothing. In my garden, I will show you all levels. When everything is looking spectacular and when everything is looking dull and whatever through the winter. It's the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm not a YouTube gardener. I'm just a gardener that make YouTube videos, y'all. Don't never get it twisted. Growing food out here. Big things, no whammies. Like, comment, and subscribe.